Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome to Self-Ruqyah Sharia service. How to perform Ruqyah on yourself without going to any Raqi or magician. Step 1. Prepare yourself spiritually. Be in a state of wudu before starting. Make an intention that you're sincerely doing this for Allah's sake, and for healing from physical, emotional, or spiritual harm such as evil eye, jinn, black magic, or illness. Find a quiet, clean place free from distractions. If possible, face the Qibla. Step 2. Prepare these 5 Ruqyah recited products, as they were recommended by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Check them out. The first one is Ruqyah recited Zamzam water, narrated by Ibn Abbas 𝗬𝗲𝗿𝗳. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The best water on the surface of the earth is Zamzam water. There is a food for nourishment in it, and healing for illness." The second one is Ruqyah recited black seed, narrated in an hadith by Abu Hurairah 𝗬𝗲𝗿𝗳, who heard from Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, that black seed is a remedy for every disease except death. The third one is Ruqyah recited olive oil, narrated by Abu Asad 𝗬𝗲𝗿𝗳. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Eat olive oil and anoint yourselves with it, for indeed it is from a blessed tree." The fourth one is Ruqyah recited Lubin Zakar, narrated by Aisha 𝗬𝗲𝗿𝗳. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, ordered that the mosques should be built in residential districts, and it should be cleaned and perfumed with incense. Lubin Zakar is one of the most recognized incense types that the companions of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, usually burn at home and in the masjid. The last one is Ruqyah paper, full Quran. Quranic Ruqyah paper is inscribed with selected Quranic verses and chapters, and it has been proven to be highly effective in healing spiritual problems such as evil eye, black magic, envy, body pain, jinn possession, bad dreams, blockages, and etc. Step 3. Recite these Quranic verses and chapters, Surah Al-Fatiha 3 times, Ayatul Kursi 3 times, to last verses of Surah Al-Baqarah 3 times, Surah Al-Ikhlas 3 times, Surah Al-Falaq 3 times, Surah Al-Nas 3 times. Step 4. Apply the Ruqyah recited products daily as prescribed, and recite the recommended verses and chapters every morning and evening. You will surely feel better before 21 days, inshallah wa bi qudratihi. How to order the Ruqyah recited products and how to book a Ruqyah counseling session. Kindly send us a message on WhatsApp number displayed below the screen. You can book a Ruqyah counseling session with our experienced and certified Ruqyah specialists and start your journey towards a happier, healthier, and more balanced life. To book a session, kindly send us a message on the WhatsApp number displayed below the screen. Barakallahu feekum, ma salam.